Hello, welcome to the Boston Income Fund quarterly report for the period ended 31 March 2019. My name is Paul Jones and I am the fund manager of the Boston Income Fund. The Boston Income Fund is reporting an official quarterly return of 2.5589% for the March 2019 quarter. This is equivalent to an annualised return of 10.378% or 11.435%, assuming the consistent reinvestment of quarterly distributions have taken place since the inception of the Boston Income Fund. Thinktank Group Proprietary Limited, or Thinktank, which is a Sydney-based non-bank financial institution commercial mortgage sector lender, is the manager, originator and servicer of each of the commercial mortgage trusts that form the basis of the Boston Income Fund's investment strategy. Boston Managed Investments is pleased to report that Thinktank has again produced another strong performance over the recently completed March 2019 quarter. At the completion of the March 2019 quarter, Thinktank recorded total loans under management of 1.02 billion Australian dollars across 1,525 loan accounts. In comparative terms, the dollar value of loans under management has grown since the March 2018 quarter by 269 million Australian dollars, which provides for a year-on-year growth rate of 35.9%. The quantum of loan accounts under management has shifted upwards across the same 12-month period by 400 loan accounts, a 35.6% increase in loan accounts over the last 12 months. Deeper loan book metrics taken from the Thinktank commercial property portfolio at the end of the March 2019 quarter are equally as impressive. The weighted average loan-to-value ratio, or LVR, as measured across the portfolio at the end of the March 2019 quarter is 62.52%, a 141 basis point reduction on the same ratio that was reported 12 months earlier in the March 2018 quarter, and an indication that Thinktank is focused on maintaining prime, bank-quality credit at the core of its lending policy. This downward trending progress in LVR contrasts against the growth rate in monthly new loan volumes and total loans under management, both of which have increased at the same time monthly LVR figures have continuously declined. Thinktank loan arrears of greater than 30 days reported at the end of the March 2019 quarter have declined against the elevated rate that we reported in our December 2018 quarterly report. As at 31 March 2019, the quantum of loan accounts with repayment arrears of greater than 30 days as a percentage of the loan portfolio is 0.97%. A closer analysis of this reported loan arrears over the March 2019 quarter confirms that there are no significant clusters amongst geographic or industry sectors, and Boston Managed Investments is satisfied that loan arrears are being carefully and responsibly managed by Thinktank. Over the March 2019 quarter, Boston Managed Investments have observed a consistent downward movement in Australian short-term interest rates, including the 30-day bank bill swap rate, or BBSW 30, which declined by 26 basis points, or a fraction over 0.25% in the last 3 months. The reported 3 basis point fall in the Boston Income Fund's annualised return for the March 2019 quarter does correlate with this reduction in BBSW 30, but investors will note that Boston Income Fund has also managed to maintain its annualised return above its targeted benchmarks over the last quarter. Given current market conditions and a consensus outlook for reductions in the official cash rate, possibly occurring in late 2019 or early 2020, Boston Managed Investments is expecting short-term rates to remain at low levels for the next few quarters. As viewers will have noted from the information and data that I presented earlier in the investment report, Thinktank achieved a significant milestone during the March 2019 quarter. The total value of Thinktank's current loans under management now exceeds 1 billion Australian dollars. This is a significant achievement for a specialised commercial property lender in the Australian market. Should you wish to discuss your current investment in the Boston Income Fund, please feel free to contact me using the number that is currently shown on screen. Thank you for watching another of our quarterly video presentations.